In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DuckDuckGo not working. If DuckDuckGo suddenly stops loading results, feels sluggish, or shows a blank screen, the most common causes are simple glitches or an outdated app. We'll walk through two reliable fixes you can try right away. First, restart the browser or app. This sounds basic, but it clears temporary glitches, refreshes memory, and reinitializes the processes DuckDuckGo depends on. Before you close anything, save any work and note any important tabs so you don't lose them. On a computer, make sure you fully quit the browser, not just close the tab or window. Use the browser's quit or exit option so it completely shuts down. On a phone or tablet, swipe up or open your recent apps view and dismiss the DuckDuckGo app so it's not running in the background. Give it a few seconds to fully close, then reopen it. When it starts, try a quick search or load a simple page to confirm it's responding. If it was just a temporary hiccup, things should be back to normal right away. This quick reset often resolves issues caused by a stuck process or a memory leak. If restarting doesn't do the trick, update the browser or app. Outdated versions can have bugs that affect performance, search reliability, or compatibility with the latest web features. On iOS, open the App Store, search for DuckDuckGo, and tap Update if you see it. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for DuckDuckGo, and tap Update there. Let the download complete and install without interrupting it. If you're using the DuckDuckGo browser on a desktop, ensure you're on the latest release by using the built-in update option or getting the newest installer from the official source. If you use the DuckDuckGo extension in another browser, open your browser's extension or add-ons manager and check for updates there. Keeping everything current prevents small bugs from piling up and improves stability and security. Once the update finishes, open DuckDuckGo and try your search again. You should notice smoother performance and consistent results if the issue was due to a version mismatch or a known bug that's been patched. That's it. Start with a full restart, then update to the latest version. These two steps solve the majority of not working problems quickly and safely, without complicated troubleshooting. If this helped, you're good to go. Your private searches should now be running smoothly.